Okay, good morning. Today I will discuss a new topic, that is the solar energy. So first of all, a very important renewable energy resources by which we obtain the energy. That the solar energy, that conversion of sunlight into electricity, either photovoltaic or indirectly using concentrated solar power. जब भी सन की रेज सरफेस पे आती है, then the sun emits its energy and transfer on the earth. Then we store the energy, and this energy is to be converted into the form of electrical energy. Photovoltaic converts light into electric current using the photovoltaic effect. So generation of solar power is the conversion of sunlight into electricity, either directly using photovoltaic or indirectly using concentrated solar power. Now, how the solar energy works? Basically, जो सन है उससे जो हीट आ रही है, उस हीट पे हम एक प्लेट लगा दिए हैं जिसको हम फोटोवोल्टिक सेल बोलते हैं. एक कंट्रोल डिवाइस चेंज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू पावर इलेक्ट्रिकल आइटम्स, एंड इस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से हम रेफ्रिजरेशन भी चला सकते हैं, और हम इसको सोलर पंप भी विलेजेस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो सन एनर्जी को हम इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पासिस थ्रू ए ब्रेकर बॉक्स टू आउटलेट्स इन द बिल्डिंग. जो हम घर में लाइटिंग का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उस लाइटिंग को भी हम सोलर सेल से, सोलर एनर्जी से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. हाउ सोलर एनर्जी वर्क्स? सोलर एनर्जी वर्क्स, द सन फर्स्ट जो है, द सन bathes the earth with enough energy in 1 hour to satisfy the entire world's energy needs for a year. Second, solar power capture the sunlight and create direct current or electricity. Now third, a solar inverter takes the DC electricity and converts it into the alternating current, which can be used to power a building. Now the AC power is direct from the inverter into building's electrical panel. The utility tracks net energy produced with the utility electric heater. Now the applications of energy: water heating, air heating for agriculture and industrial application. So following areas in which we use the solar energy: water heating में, air heating to agriculture and industrial application, heating and cooling of building, cold storage for prevention of food, cooking of food, greenhouse, distillation of water, water pumping, solar furnace, power generation, and solar photovoltaic. How solar energy used? सोलर एनर्जी का यूज हम कैसे करते हैं? सोलर थर्मल एनर्जी, सोलर हीटिंग से सोलर वाटर हीटिंग, सोलर स्पेस हीटिंग एंड सोलर स्पेस कूलिंग. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन यूजिंग सोलर कंसंट्रेटेड एंड फोटोवोल्टिक सेल. तो जो सन की एनर्जी है, दैट we have three medium. One is the photovoltaic cell, another one is the solar concentrator, and then solar heating. Now combined solar power station. A combined solar power station in which solar panel converts sunlight to DC current directly. Inverter converts electricity to AC. Extra electricity on grid. Now the cost of making solar power system. Cost of solar power system that enables the following contributions: DC AC breakers, interconnection cost, cables ranking. These costs are proportional to the areas, installation labor, inverter, and PV module. Now US energy consumptions pie chart, that how the energy is to be used in the US, that the petroleum used 36%, natural gas the energy obtained is 29%, कोल से 16%, न्यूक्लियर इलेक्ट्रिक पावर से 9%, रीन्यूएबल एनर्जी से 10%, जियोथर्मल 2%, सोलर से 6%, विंड से 9%, 19%, बायोमास से 5%, बायोफ्यूल से 22%, वुड से 21%, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक से 25%। और ये सारा का सारा अगर हम ऐड कर दें तो बायोमास, बायोफ्यूल और वुड मिला के 49% आ रहा है। नाउ एनर्जी कंजम्पशंस बाय सोर्सेज, कोल से, नेचुरल गैस से, पेट्रोलियम से, अदर गैसेस, न्यूक्लियर, हाइड्रो पावर, बायोमास, जियोथर्मल एंड सोलर विंड। Now the solar vehicle. Nowadays we can see that we direct use the sun energy into vehicles, or we can say that in solar vehicles. Some vehicles use solar panels for auxiliary power, such as for air condition to keep the interior cool, thus reducing fuel consumption. A solar balloon is black balloon that is filled with ordinary air. Solar cells are a proposed form of spacecraft propulsion using large membrane mirror to exploit radiation pressure from the sun. Why do we need solar energy? Basically, the need of solar energy that it is very clean, no pollution or greenhouse or carbon compounds. Solar power would be a lot safer for the environment and a better for health people. Now, environmental effects of solar energy. The environmental effect of solar energy, that is the PID, carbon emission, renewable energy, abundant components, cadmium, space are considerations. Motor, coupling, gearbox, auxiliary motor, and belt. Medical use of social energy. These include disinfection and sterilization without the use of chemical. Ultraviolet light is also used to destroy bacteria and virus. It stimulates the immune system and has shown good result in killing blood-borne pathogens. Some microorganisms destroyed by ultraviolet light are bacills, anthracis, salmonella, or food poisoning, Shigella or bacteriophage or E. coli, hepatitis and influenza. Ultraviolet light can be combined with other therapies. Some kinds of skin conditions can improve with the exposure of ultraviolet light. Now, the advantage of solar energy. Solar panels gives off no pollution. Solar energy produces electricity very quietly. It has the ability to harness electricity in remote locations that are not linked to a national grid. Very efficient in large areas of the globe. Solar panels can be installed on top of many roofs. It is the affordable in the long run. The use of solar energy to produce electricity allows the use to become less the user to become less dependent on the world fossil fuel supplies. Solar social energy cons. The major cons of energy is the initial cost of solar cell. Solar energy is the only generate electricity during sunlight. Video recording. कल this means for around half of each day solar panels are not producing energy for your home. The weather can affect the efficiency of solar cells. Pollution can be a con of solar energy as pollution levels can affect the solar cell efficiencies. This would be a major icons of business of industries wishing to install solar panels in heavily polluted areas such as cities. Now the top 10 solar states in the world: Washington, Oregon, California, New Mexico, Texas, Illinois, New York, North Carolina, Pennsylvania. So the energy generated by the solar is rapidly increasing day by day, or in the number of years we can see that the energy is to be exceed with the help of the solar power station. So these are the columns by which we can say that the approximately based data just check the increasing by the percentage and its profit. Now pie chart. We know that the different percentage wise generation of the electricity 30%, 15, 10, 20 and 25. The different product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These indicates the energy generation of the electricity. Area is tagged. Area wise is tagged product 1, that energy is generated into this shape, and product area is tagged into this shape. Radar chart, product 1, the slide of 100% editable, adopt it your needs or capture your audience. And product 2, the site is 100% adopt it your needs to capable of your. These are the scatter with smooth line and makers. Stacker bar, these are the contribution in the field of solar energy according to the different product. Cluster bar, stacked bar chart in different years. Now volume high close chart, stock charts. Now our main goal. The slide is 100% adopt it to your needs and capture our attentions.